I.C.T engineers Andy and Billy traveled to Kazakhstan to provide training for customers on SMT line and DIP or DIP production line in June 2026.
Hello everyone, my name is Mikhail from Kazakhstan, Aspen Energy Company. This is loader from I.C.T. This is stencil printer. This is other conveyor. This is pick and place machine. This is reflow oven. This is other conveyor. This is offline AOI machine. Our machine from China I.C.T. Thank you, good quality and good service. Thank you Andy and Billy for building this line and training us how to use this machine. Thank you very much.